Telegram deactivation page. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today in the video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go to the Telegram deactivation page on your device. So if you're going to do that, what you're going to do at first is launch the Telegram app on your phone. Now, in the top left corner, you can see a 3-bar option. Click on it. After you do that, go to settings. Now scroll a bit down, and in the last you can see the option which says Telegram FAQ. Click on it, then it'll take you to this sort of page. Now over here, scroll a bit down until you see the option which says your account. Now under it, you can see various options over here. Just go to the option which says delete your Telegram account. Then you can see the option delete your Telegram account, which is over here. Then over here you can see the option which says deactivation page in blue letters. Just click on the link and then add your phone number, then click on next. After you do that, you will be taken to the deactivation page. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.